Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B121A indicates an issue with the mode control motor circuit in Honda CR-V models from 2017 to 2022. This diagnostic trouble code signifies that there's an open circuit, meaning that there is no electrical flow in the circuit that operates the mode control motor. The mode control motor plays a crucial role in regulating airflow within the vehicle's climate control system, allowing air to be directed to various vents based on the driver's settings. The component is typically located within the dashboard, connected to the climate control panel and various wiring harnesses. When this error is present, the vehicle may experience issues like inconsistent airflow direction or non-functional climate control settings. Understanding this DTC is essential for diagnosing and addressing climate control issues effectively. The B121A DTC describes an open circuit concerning the mode control motor, which is integral to the car's HVAC system, specifically for controlling air distribution. The mode control motor regulates which vents receive airflow, influencing how comfortably occupants experience temperature within the cabin. Located typically behind the dashboard, it is connected to various electrical connectors and wiring harnesses, making its accessibility crucial during repairs. The climate control panel, which might display errors as BB1 or 49, interfaces directly with the mode control motor, indicating clearly to the driver when something is amiss. Testing and repairing this circuit helps restore proper functionality to the HVAC system, ensuring that cabin conditions are regulated according to the driver's preferences. The possible causes of the DTC B121A range from an open circuit in the mode control motor itself to issues concerning its wiring and connectors. An open circuit indicates that electrical flow is disrupted, and this could result from damaged wiring or corroded connectors that prevent reliable electrical connections. Additionally, a failure within the control unit could lead to incorrect or non-existent signals being sent to the mode control motor, causing malfunction in the HVAC system. Each of these factors can contribute to operational inefficiencies and result in erratic behavior of the heating and air conditioning system. Thorough investigation into each of these areas is necessary to accurately diagnose and repair the issue. Symptoms that may accompany the DTC B121A include inconsistent airflow direction, where air might not be directed appropriately to the specified vents, reducing occupant comfort. Another symptom could be non-functional climate control settings. When the driver attempts to adjust temperature or airflow modes, there may be no response from the system. Additionally, error messages might appear on the DTC screen, such as BB1 or indicator 49, informing users that there is an underlying problem with the climate control system. Identifying these symptoms quickly can help streamline the troubleshooting process and lead to timely repairs. The first step in troubleshooting the DTC B121A is to clear the diagnostic trouble codes using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS. This procedure resets any previous error codes, allowing you to start with a clean slate. After clearing, turn the vehicle from the off/lock mode to on mode, which activates the systems required for the next steps. Performing a self-diagnostic function with the HDS or the climate control unit is essential to check whether the DTC reappears. If the same DTC code is present after running the diagnostic tests, then it confirms that there is a persistent issue to address. If no code reappears, it may indicate an intermittent failure, requiring checks for loose connections or wiring issues. In the second troubleshooting step, begin by turning the vehicle to the off/lock mode to ensure all systems are inactive. This is crucial for safety when handling electronic components. Next, disconnect the mode control motor 5-key connector, which isolates the motor from the circuit, allowing for accurate testing. Once the connector is detached, turn the vehicle back to on mode, allowing the system to energize while leaving the motor disconnected. Measure the voltage between the designated test points on the motor connector. Specifically, test point 1 is the female terminal number 2, and test point 2 is the body ground. If the measured voltage is around 5 volts, this indicates that the circuit wiring connected to the control motor is functioning properly, leading you to the next step. If not, further investigation into the circuit's integrity is required. The third step involves checking the Senscom line to ensure there are no breaks or faults in the wiring. Begin by measuring the voltage between test points 1 and 2, similar to the previous step, with the vehicle in on mode and the mode control motor connector still disconnected. Test point 1 is the same, mode control motor connector female terminal number 2, while test point 2 corresponds to female terminal number 1 of the same connector. If there is approximately 5 volts present, it indicates that both the connectors and wiring are intact, and you will need to replace the mode control motor, as it may be malfunctioning. If the 5 volts is not present, it points to an open circuit that requires repair in the Senscom wire. The final troubleshooting step checks the open MDDP line for issues that could be causing the DTC B121A. With the vehicle in on mode and the mode control motor connector disconnected, measure the voltage between the climate control unit connector B24P, terminal number 5, and a solid body ground. If the test indicates about 5 volts, the MDDP wiring is confirmed to function correctly, and repair work would be needed on the associated wiring. If you do not achieve the expected voltage, this suggests that the climate control unit itself may be faulty and could require replacement. Each measurement and result helps narrow down the exact cause, ensuring that any repairs made effectively resolve the underlying issue. After completing all necessary repairs, it is crucial to run a final verification process to confirm the success of your work. Utilize the Auto Diagnostics system, HDS, to perform a full diagnostic check of the vehicle. This will involve scanning for any new or old DTCs. Ideally, there should be no new or persistent DTCs, indicating that the mode control motor circuit is functioning as intended. Additionally, it is beneficial to operate the climate control system through all its modes to ensure it performs reliably and accurately. Confirming that the repairs have resolved the issues not only ensures the vehicle's operational integrity, but also contributes to the longevity of the HVAC system. Preventive maintenance is essential for avoiding issues such as the DTC B121A in the future. Regularly inspecting electrical connectors associated with the mode control motor can help identify any signs of wear or corrosion that may lead to connectivity issues. Keeping wiring harnesses clean and free of debris will also reduce the risk of shorts or disconnections. Routine diagnostics using the Auto Diagnostics system, HDS, can provide early warnings of developing issues, allowing for proactive repairs. Creating a maintenance schedule that includes these inspections will help ensure the longevity of the HVAC system, maintaining exceptional comfort and control for the occupants of the vehicle. In conclusion, understanding DTC B121A is vital for any technician working on the Honda CR-V models from 2017 to 2022. Systematic troubleshooting steps provide a structured approach to diagnosing and repairing climate control issues effectively. Each step focuses on identifying the root cause, Whether it be a faulty mode control motor, wiring issues, or failures within the climate control unit, performing preventive maintenance can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering this issue again in the future. Ultimately, maintaining the vehicle's climate control system not only enhances comfort, but also upholds the vehicle's optimal performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.